Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm actually not feeling the best, so I just thought I'd take you around with me and just show you what I like to do just to try and get myself healthy again when I'm sick. So first of all, I'm just going to have a cup of tea. There's seriously nothing better than a hot drink when your throat is a bit itchy and sore, and it will just help soothe everything. So I'm having this one. It's a lemon and ginger one, and I just find it's really warming and just nice and soothing. So I'm going to start out with that. One of the most important things when you're sick is to keep hydrated. So I'm going to make some lime-infused water that I'm going to sip on during the course of the day. Alright, when you're sick, it's all about convenience. So I've got 2 slices of keto toast, and I've got my mackerel fillets in tomato sauce that I bought the other day, and I'm going to put some avocado on the other one. And I went a quick little trip out into the garden, and I found that my zucchini plant had a few zucchinis that needed picking. So I went ahead and got those, and I am thinking of a recipe that I'm going to record next. So this is going to be really interesting, and I can't wait to show you that one. As I mentioned, when you're sick, it's all about convenience. So I'm going to use some of that chicken broth. I'm going to list the recipe for that broth up above actually. But I'm going to use that, and I'm going to make a nice soothing soup that's going to just be easy for my body to digest and give me plenty of nutrients. So I'm just going to add a few extra bits and pieces in it just to get some more flavour. So adding a carrot, I'm going to add some more celery to that as well. I also have some onion, a clove of garlic, and some ginger as well. So it's going to be nice and warming. And here is the broth that I had in my freezer. So that's the one I made for one of my videos the other day. And it's just nice to have those things on hand, just to make life easier when you're sick. So it's just going to simmer for a little while I get the other ingredients out. just placing in some bok choy into my bowl. Handy thing about bok choy is that it really only needs to be blanched a little bit, so just adding it raw into your bowl is completely fine, and then the hot soup will heat it up for you. Then I'm going to add in some of those enoki mushrooms that I bought from my grocery haul the other day. These are just, again, same as the bok choy. You can just add them in raw to your soup, and the hot soup that you pour in will just help warm them up a little bit. And I'm going to add some alfalfa sprouts as well, because they're just packed full of nutrients when you get the sprouts. So I can't wait to dig into this. So let's just add some of that beautiful hot broth in there. And that's the last bit I'm going to eat today. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me today and just seeing what I do when I'm not feeling the best. I hope you guys have a great day. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you again next time.